Generative responses use a large language model, or LLM, to respond to a user's question and converse back and forth with users to solve their issue. In its simplest form, a generative response connects to an LLM and has some instructions for how to behave. We can constrain it to only use knowledge sources that we provide and give it access to user information. Perhaps most importantly, it has guardrails to prevent it from going astray. These actions are flexible. This means the virtual agent can adapt to the user's way of asking the question, probe for more information, and handle follow-up questions. They're great for topics that have more complexity, such as troubleshooting flows, where it can be really hard to craft a predefined response that can handle every scenario. In this example, a generative response can be used to meet the user where they are, explain the issue in terms that they understand, and clarify information when it's needed. Another advantage is that they're easy to manage. If the knowledge sources change, then we don't have to update all the answers related to this knowledge. We just have to upload a new document. And they're quick to set up because we don't have to spend time writing all the different responses. One generative action can cover many different questions for a single topic. The downsides? Well, we have less control over the response itself. It takes longer to generate each response, and because a generative response relies on LLMs, there's an additional cost to use them. So we probably won't use a generative response for every question.